Hello po. Good evening. Another project. Ayan. It's my 5th day doing this. Tapos, this is what it's gonna look like when it's done.
Not.
Ta-da! How cute is that? So cutie, right?
No.
Oh, ano ka? Ganda-ganda, oh. Ito yung instructions. So many. So what I do is, sineseparate ko muna yung mga, ito, by colors. So, it's easy to build it. I'll give you an example. Alright. You watch me doing it, okay? So, here. Kumusta na ko man po, Ken? Kumusta kayo, Dara? Dang. Kumusta kayo? Ay, niyari na ako magluto. At habang gagawan ko po ini, mamipi ko. Ayro go niya, makayan talaga yung imbyak yan ng Amerika dong. Alang, painawa. Atin naman. Matutod. Gusto matutod ka rin ka makapainawa. Matutod na ako kanyan mga alas 11, matutod na ako kanyan. Habang pakiramdaman kita, ipipiyan ko na. And then, gising na ka na naman. 5 o'clock. Obra na naman. Anong katapusan? Wening obra ko rugo everyday. Tapos, Saturday, syempre, aliwa na naman. Yung social life me, mamiyalo kong